Hey guys, it's me, Trey. Today, this is a fidget pen. Yeah, and inside it, these are some of these things. Yeah. So, this is a pen. Yeah. This is, what is that?
What is it?
It's like that thing, like, you do that on, like...
Eraser?
No.
Oh, it's like it's on those pens that you use to, like, write on a tablet. It's a little rubbery tip.
It's a little rubbery tip. It goes on, like, that. Alright, and the next one is these, that thing.
That's the ink that goes inside it, isn't it?
The ink. I think. These are some of the balls. Like, hold on. I'll show you. You use it with the pen and it's like this. It's magnet. It looks like a magnetile.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. And
so that's what that was on the end then, is a magnet.
And that was it. Yeah. Bye. Peace.